everybody, me again with the reading challenge, the story of the cat, the seagull and the cat who taught her to fly. Today we come to chapter 6, part 2, lucky, truly fortunate. In this chapter, I am really emotional because I have a chance to learn how the way Joba addressed the seagull's problem when she had an unpleasant encounter with the chimpanzees. The chimpanzee said that Lucky was be fattened up to be a good meal for the cat when she grew up. So she was very frightened. And Joba, with his sincere and with his sincere, say something very emotional, very sincerely with her to praise her. And the following I will read aloud the paragraph, one of the emotional paragraphs. Tearfully, Lucky recounted everything Matthew had secreted to her. Joba licked away her tears, and soon he heard himself addressing the young seagull as he never had before. "You are a seagull. The chimpanzee is right about that, but only about that. We all love you, Lucky, and we love you because you are a seagull. A beautiful seagull. I haven't contradicted you when I heard you squawk that you are a cat, because it flatters us that you want to be like us. But you are different, and we are happy that you are different. We wasn't able to have your mother, but we can have you. We've protected you from the moment you pick your way out of your shells. We've given you all our affection without ever thinking of making a cat out of you. We love you as a girl. We feel that you love us too. That's we are your friends, your family, and we want you to know that with you we've learned something that makes us very proud. We've learned to appreciate and respect and love someone who's different from us. It's very easy to accept and love those who are like us, but to love someone different is very hard, and you have had to do that. You are a seagull, and you must follow your destiny as a seagull. You must fly. When you do learn, Lucky, I promise you that you will be happy, and then your feelings to us and ours for you will be even deeper and more beautiful, because it will be affections between totally different creatures." "I'm afraid to fly," Lucky squawked, standing up. "When it happens, I will be with you," Joba Mel licking Lucky's head. "I promise your mother." The young girl and the big fat black cat began walking back. He licking her head tenderly, and she extending one of her wings across his back.